Hello traders, this is Orlando for Snipe the Trade, and today we're going to review our trades on the E-mini S&P 500 and on the GBPUSD for May 17th, 2016. Alright, so right now we are, like I said before, we have two trades going on. We have one on the E-mini S&P 500 on when we went short actually at this level. Some of you might think that this is a late entry, but I'm going to explain first of all the entry on the E-mini S&P 500 or the S&P 500 CFD. Now, price was trading around these levels on the pre-market, but we needed this level to break because this was an important level of support. And as you can see right here, if I zoom in on the chart, we had a rejection candle right here. Okay, now this is the level that we needed to break, that we needed the S&P 500 to break in order for us to have a nice move to the downside for a retest of the next area of support. Now remember that we only risk 1% of the account per trade, and in this case we had a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio, which is fine because this is going to be a very fast trade. Now, we're going to close all of our position right here because we don't know if price is going to break to the downside or if it's going to bounce. And if it bounces, it's going to bounce very hard and it's going to take us out of our position. Now, we have a free trade now on the pound dollar. Now, we had some inflation news on the pound, on the UK, or some inflation data on the UK, and we also had some inflation data on the USD that is driving this pair down. And not only that, we had if I zoom in on the chart, we had some kind of a triple top around these levels, and we had a very good risk to reward ratio on this trade, and now we are just waiting for price to test back this zone that was heavily tested and rejected as support. As you can see right here, we have one big rejection, and then we break and retest the same area, and we test it again before breaking to the upside. So basically this is a very pivotal zone, but we don't know if price is going to break through it or if price is going to bounce from it, and this is why we have our targets at this area. And this trade is going to be yielding 80 pips, which is excellent for a day trade. And right now we are about 54 pips in the money. Now the E-mini S&P 500 trade is going to yield around 90 pips too, which makes for an excellent 170 pip day.